Hi guys, I'm S. Karthikeyan. Here we are presenting the topic about Visual Studio Personal Expense Tracker application. Here we go to the Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code we have the Python code app.py. We have connect the Python code. We have connect the HTML code with the database using Python code. First, we have to import all the statements that we want, Flask and IBM DB for database connections, and then we have to connection with the database server, and then we have to root with the login page, and if the password was it was checked by with the backend server, and if it is correct, it will redirect to the home page. First we have to execute the Python app.py code. It was running, uh, uh, and then we have to obtain the localhost code, and then we have to copy it and go to the Chrome, and we have to paste the link. We have register page. In this register page we can register. First we have to go to login page. If we have the username and password, we will log in. If you don't have the username and login, you have to go to the register page. In this register page you have to enter your role, enter the number you have. Mm, for example 31, and then you have to enter the email address for verification for database storage, and then you have to set your name as Karthi. And then you have to make a password Karthi123, and then we have to click the register page. uh, if the page was successfully registered, and then we have to go to the cloud database. Uh, we have shown up the data that are stored in the cloud. For example, if we before we register the page that was stored in the tables of the users, we have registered the tables as Karthikeyan Veeramaniyan TV4231, username Karthi, and then password Karthi123 was stored successfully in our database. And then login, we have to log in our page. What is the name? Karthi is the username, and password is Karthi123. We have to log in the page. If your password and username was correct, it will redirect your home page of the HTML. And then we have the home page home.html. This is the home.html that we created. Before that, we have the login page code, and then register page code. If in this situation we have in this home.html code, we have to welcome to the home. About our project, we have explained about our project with our username, introduction about our project. And then if we move to dashboard, what is the dashboard present in? This is the dashboard. This is the coding of the dashboard. If we move to the dashboard, it will the valid balance of our project. If we give 100 new balance, it will add up into the valid balance that is stored in the database cloud. And then we have to go to the expenses.html. We have to create these expenses by using expenses.html. In this expenses.html, this is the code of our project. Expenses, the amount that we are spent, and the expense category, what the category that we are sent, and the date of expense, which date will used to expense, and description of expense, what is the what type of expense is that, and grouping if we need, and submit expenses which will give, please fill out this. If you fill out this all fields, and it will if it will submit, it will expenses, submit our expenses gradually. And then at last we have the expenses code at gradually. And then if we want to go dashboard, it will go to the dashboard, and if you want to go to home, it will go to the home. And if you want to log out your session, and please press logout button, it will redirect you to login page. Thank you.